And look who we have here, the one, the only, Mr. Wander in the house.
Finally,
we have finally met. We've been following each other for so long, and that's how it is, man. Good to see you, man. Awesome. Awesome, sir.
Yeah.
Good to see you, buddy.
This is the subway, the MRT.
Nice. We are going somewhere. We don't know where.
We're just going with the flow. We're wandering.
We're about to live stream, but see how that goes.
The MRT is the subway, and the BTS is the SkyTrain.
Awesome. We are in a tuk-tuk, and we're heading to Caleidoscope.
Vamos.
Let's do it.
Rumba.
We're having a good time, and we're here. It's Wanderer's last night in Thailand. So, sir, how do you feel about that?
I feel it's not my last night, because I will always be back. It's not my last night.
He's always back.
I will always be back. It's not my last night.
Let's do it. Krab, chokti krab, chokti krab. Hey, Wanderer's last night. Chokti krab, chokti krab, chokti krab, chokti krab. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Had a wonderful time. And chokti krab to you guys at home. I love you guys. Thank you for following Travel Fun 69. Beers and cheers. Do it all ceiling and Jeff apart. Cheers, guys. I meant like a. Yeah, man. Italy in the house. Italy. Twitch. Watching Twitch. Twitch in the house.